Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send photo as document in WhatsApp. Friends, as we all know, WhatsApp automatically compress photo when we send it to someone. So if you want to send a photo in original resolution and quality to someone on WhatsApp, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now on your WhatsApp app, you need to open the chat window of the person with whom you want to share the image. Now to send image in original size, you need to press on this attachment icon. Now here, instead of pressing on image, you need to press on documents. Now here press on choose from gallery. Now select the image you want to share. Now after selecting the image, press on the send button. Now friends, in this process of sending, our image will look like a document and it will be sent in original size so that it can be used on high resolution for printing or other work. So friends, like this you can very easily send a photo as document on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.